Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Sarro Remover is probably one of the most effective and convenient ways to maintain optimal oral hygiene, removing stubborn tartar buildup and preventing potential dental issues, ensuring a healthy and confident smile. In this video, we will explore its functionalities, benefits, and provide a comprehensive review based on real-world usage and expert opinions, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. G.CATACC Dental Tool Kit. This professional kit helps remove tough plaque and tartar buildup, giving you a sparkling smile from the comfort of your home. It's a simple and effective way to improve your oral hygiene. The kit includes everything you need: a mirror, tweezers, and various scrapers and picks to reach even the most difficult areas. It's a complete solution for thorough cleaning. Unlike cheaper alternatives, these tools are made from high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel. They are built to withstand daily use and provide years of reliable service. The non-slip handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for precise control and easy maneuvering. The protective case keeps everything organized and safe. It's perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Simply sterilize it in hot water or a dishwasher and you're ready to achieve a cleaner, healthier mouth. Enjoy fresh breath all day long. What we like? It's a complete set with various tools for a thorough clean. If you want professional-level dental care at home, this is perfect for you. Its durable, comfortable design makes it ideal for daily use and long-term satisfaction. What people say. Works great at everything you need to keep your teeth healthy. I like the quality and I bought an extra set for my jewelry crafting with polymer clay. They have not rusted like another set I bought within 3 days after buying and rising with water and not drying off. Very nice. It's heavy duty, just like the ones at the dentist office. I haven't used it enough to give it all 5 stars. Well worth the money. I definitely recommend this product. Nice case too. This set includes a range of essential dental tools, including a plaque remover, tooth scraper, and picks, all made from high-quality stainless steel. They are incredibly durable and easy to use, making it simple to maintain my dental health between professional cleanings. The kit comes with a compact, durable case that keeps everything organized. Number 4. Nicwell Water Dental Flosser. It's not just another flosser, it uses ultrafine double-thread water pulse technology for a deeper, safer clean. It effectively removes plaque, improves gum health, and freshens breath. With 4 modes and 11 intensity levels, it adapts to your needs. The memory function saves your preferences for consistently comfortable and effective cleaning. Enjoy a 30-day battery life, double the endurance of others. Its cordless design lets you use it anywhere, at home or on the go. It comes with 3 types of nozzle attachments: classic tips for daily cleaning, a tongue scraper, and an orthodontic tip for braces. It's an all-in-one oral care system. It's IPX7 waterproof for shower use and has a perfectly sized water tank. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use. What we like? This cordless flosser offers customized cleaning with multiple settings. If you're looking for convenience and a deep clean, this is a great choice. Its long battery life and versatile nozzles make it perfect for travel and various needs. What people say. It really works great and hold a long power charge. It is a convenient size and easy to take when traveling. It cleans well and does a great job. It is easy to use and the water tank is sufficient. The size does not hinder maneuvering. The battery charges quickly and lasts a long time. It's got not 1, not 2, but 4 modes: soft, normal, pulse, and strong. It gets into places regular flossing just can't reach. It's holding up like a champ. I'm talking once a month charging, people. Plus, it's waterproof, so you can floss in the shower. Number 3. MySmile LP221 Water Flosser. It has a top-notch pump that generates powerful water pulses to thoroughly remove food particles and stains, keeping your breath fresh and gums healthy. Experience a new level of oral hygiene. It offers 4 modes and 3 pressure levels, excluding pulse mode, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience. The OLED display shows battery life, water temperature, mode, and pressure level for easy monitoring. This flosser features a built-in 120-second self-cleaning cycle to keep the water tank and tips clean. Multiple tips are included for various cleaning needs, ensuring optimal oral hygiene. With a 50% larger water tank than others, it reduces the need for refills. The 1800 mAh battery lasts up to 40 days on the lowest setting and is rechargeable via various methods. It's IPX7 waterproof for shower use, has a 3-step start to prevent accidental spraying, and includes a filter to prevent clogging. A handy carrying pouch is also included for travel. It's a more effective way to clean your teeth, reaching areas a toothbrush can't. It helps prevent oral problems like tooth decay, plaque, and gum disease, saving you money on dental visits. What we like? This water flosser boasts a powerful, clean, and hygienic design. If you value a powerful, clean, and germ-free experience, this is for you. The large tank and clear display make for a convenient and efficient cleaning experience. What people say. Top feature, very long battery life. It crushes Waterpick, whose battery life is measured in days versus months. Easily recharged with a USB-C cable, this is super convenient for travel. I pack just 2 things, the device and a tip. The MySmile Powerful Cordless was on top of the list, which included an AC model or 2. It's only been several days, so I can't speak to longevity, but the battery still has a lot of juice. I'm finding the experience to be much more satisfying than I'm used to. The oral irrigator holds 11.8 fluid ounces. That's 4.8 more ounces than the WP it's replacing. I like the pulse mode, soft and standard. Works great. Easy to use, nice size and hardly any noise, no leakage and sure gets lots of stuff from in between your teeth. Great product. Number 2. MySmile LP221 Water Flosser. It's a game changer in water flossers, combining powerful performance with a sleek design. This flosser makes oral care easier and more effective than ever before. It generates a high-powered water stream to remove food particles and plaque. Experience a thorough clean that leaves your mouth feeling refreshed. With multiple modes and pressure levels, you can personalize your cleaning experience. It's simple to adjust the settings to suit your individual needs and preferences. It features a built-in UVC sterilizer to eliminate bacteria. This ensures that it stays clean and hygienic between uses. Enjoy a longer-lasting battery and a larger water tank, meaning fewer refills and more uninterrupted cleaning. It's perfect for daily use. Its IPX7 waterproof design and included travel pouch make it perfect for use at home or on the go. Take it with you wherever you travel. It's an affordable and effective way to improve your oral hygiene. Prevent common dental problems and maintain a healthy, confident smile. What we like? This water flosser boasts a powerful, clean, and hygienic design. If you value a powerful, clean, and germ-free experience, this is for you. The large tank and clear display make for a convenient and efficient cleaning experience. What people say. Top feature, very long battery life. It crushes Waterpick, whose battery life is measured in days versus months. Easily recharged with a USB-C cable, this is super convenient for travel. I pack just 2 things, the device and a tip. The MySmile Powerful Cordless was on top of the list, which included an AC model or 2. It's only been several days, so I can't speak to longevity, but the battery still has a lot of juice. I'm finding the experience to be much more satisfying than I'm used to. The oral irrigator holds 11.8 fluid ounces. That's 4.8 more ounces than the WP it's replacing. I like the pulse mode, soft and standard. Works great. Easy to use, nice size and hardly any noise, no leakage and sure gets lots of stuff from in between your teeth. Great product. Number 1. LIVFRESH Toothpaste Gel. It's clinically proven to remove plaque 250% better than other leading brands. Experience a cleaner, healthier mouth with every brush. This improves gum health by a remarkable 190%. Say goodbye to gum problems and hello to a confident smile. It effectively reduces tartar buildup and leaves your breath feeling fresh and clean all day long. Backed by 26 research studies and 40+ patents, it's a formula developed by leading scientists. It's the result of 10 years of research and development. Its unique formula breaks the bond between plaque and your teeth, providing a deep clean, even in hard-to-reach areas. It prevents new plaque from forming. Thousands of dental professionals, including former presidents of major dental associations, use and recommend it. It's supported by leading universities and institutions. Made in America with 100% edible, SLS-free ingredients. It's free of harsh chemicals and safe for all ages. By improving your oral health, it can help you avoid costly dental procedures in the long run. It's an investment in your smile. What we like. This toothpaste is clinically proven to significantly improve oral health. If you prioritize proven results and gentle ingredients, this is the one for you. Its unique formula tackles plaque and improves gum health effectively. What people say. Wish I'd taken a before picture, but my teeth are already much whiter and my gums are bleeding less, and it's only been a week. Heck, my teeth were whiter after just the first brushing. I was gobsmacked in the best way. You know that yellow gunk that's really hard to get off your teeth closer to your gum line, especially on your lower teeth and canine teeth? That's the stuff faded after the very first brushing for me, and a week later my teeth are so much whiter already, and even my daughter noticed. The first couple of nights after I rinsed, I noticed little pieces of gunk being rinsed off my teeth, like flakes or grit. I know this sounds gross as all get out, but I'm pretty sure that was built up plaque that hadn't been coming off with my regular toothpaste, or maybe tartar, had the same consistency as the gunk they scrape off during dental cleanings. This toothpaste is a bit pricey but works amazingly, whitens so quickly. Gums are looking healthier and teeth are looking a lot better. It really does help with tartar a lot. After first month of use, I had a dental hygienist appointment. She commented that my teeth were very clean. Plus I got to enjoy less scraping than usual. I'm on my second tube. It works best when used on a dry toothbrush. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.